Right, so I've got two traps here, a brand new one and an old one, and I'll show you a way of setting these in a way that you don't have to get your hands anywhere near the jaws, but you do have to do the initial setting with your hands, so you have to pull them down and get the safety catch on. But once you've got that part done, I'll show you a way to do it with two sticks, so you don't have to get anywhere near the jaws. And we'll try it with both of them, because this one's bound to be a lot more powerful because it's brand new, and this one may be a bit weaker because it's fairly old. So we'll know if the method works with both of them. Relatively easy to do and pretty safe as well. You know, I know people say that, you know, some people don't like setting them. Some people, you know, happily just set them with their hands, but I personally don't like doing that, so I've got a different way of doing it. I'll show you that now.